This lecture covers few problems based on division, remainder and some word problems. Find the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves remainders 6 and 5 respectively. So in the question they are asking us to find a number. So the number is the greatest number which can divide both. Therefore, we need to find the HCF. HCF of 1657 and 2037 with some remainders. What it means is that greatest number when we are dividing, that number is not exactly divisible by these two numbers. It is leaving the remainders. So what we will do is we will just subtract these numbers. So this becomes 1651 and this becomes 2032. Now these two numbers are perfectly divisible by the HCF. So if we can find out the HCF of these two numbers, that is the required number and that is the answer. So let me go with the division method. So in this the highest number is 2032. Let me divide this with 1651. 1651, 381. Now take the 1651 over here and then 4 times is 1524. This gives the remainder 127. Now divide 381 with 127. That is 3 times 381 and this is 0. Therefore, this 127 is the HCF for these two numbers, 127. That itself is the answer. Let's try one more question. Find the least number which when divided by 20, 25, 35, 40 leaves the remainder 14, 19, 29 and 34. To solve this, first subtract the given numbers with the remainders. So 20 minus 14 is 6, 25 minus 19 is 6, 35 minus 29 is 6 and 40 minus 34 is 6. You can clearly see the difference of the remainders and the given numbers is 6. And we are asked to calculate the least number. So basically we need to get the LCM. Now get the LCM of 20, 25, 35 and 40. Now these numbers will have an excess of 6. So just subtract that 6. This will be the required number. So the LCM of these 4 numbers is 1400. Subtract the 6, 1396. So 1396. This is the least number when we divide with 20, 25, 35 and 40 leaves these particular remainders. Okay, let's try another model. Find the smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 16, 24, 36 and 54. First let me write the smallest number, the smallest 5 digit number. We already know the smallest 5 digit number is 1 followed by 4 zeros, and they are saying that we need to get a number which is divisible by all the given 4 numbers. So let me take the LCM of 16, 24, 36 and 54. The LCM is 432. Now divide this 432 with 1 followed by 4 zeros. I think 23 times of 432 is 9936, which leaves a remainder 64. It means that 9936 is the number which is divisible. Now for this particular number just add the 432, which gives us 10386. So this 23, if we change it to 24, 432 into 24 gives this number. If you want to try, check it. 432 into 24 is 10368. So this is the number which is the smallest 5 digit number which is divisible by all these 4 numbers. That's the answer. Seema, Meena and Reema begin to jog around a circular stadium and they complete their revolutions in 54 seconds, 42 seconds and 63 seconds respectively. After how much time will they come together at the starting point? So when you want 3 numbers collectively together, we just need to take the LCM. So LCM of 54, 42 and 63, which gives the least common multiple. So when we do this, because these are all in seconds, let me write it as seconds. That is 6 minutes 18 seconds. So this is the time after which all the three will meet. Again after another 6 minutes 18 seconds, again they will meet. It repeats. Let's try one more question of this model. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they all change simultaneously at 8 hours 20 minutes, then at what time will they change again simultaneously? Very similar to the previous question. So when you want the common time, just take the LCM. So LCM of 48, 72 and 108. When we take the LCM, this is again 432 seconds. This is 7 minutes 12 seconds. So the required time is given time plus the LCM, that is 820 hours plus this is 827 12 hours. This is the answer, and this is the time after which all the traffic lights change again simultaneously. And this is the end for LCM and HCF.